hands pluck the things I know that I'll need. I'll take the sugar and butter from the pantry. I add the flour to begin what I am hoping to start, and then it's down with the recipe and bake from the heart. Sugar and butter and flour and mother. What's inside? Everyone wants to know what's inside, and I always tell them, but I feel more than words can say. You wanna know what's inside? Simple question, so then what's the answer? My whole life is in here, in this kitchen baking. What a mess I'm making.